Staying with campus news, although only open for just over a week, the new Center for Materials and Manufacturing Sciences building is already welcoming experts into its doors, most recently for an academic symposium. Simon Brown has the story.
This past Thursday, professors from all around the United States paid a visit to Troy's new CMMS building. The main purpose of the visit, to tackle the problem of plastic recycling.
So looking forward to some fantastic research, like what we have here in the symposium today. We realize one of the biggest challenges in research, particularly if we try to do anything with plastic recycling.
Other topics included new advancements in technology. For example, Dr. Amanda Kennel has created her very own electro-spinning machine from scratch.
This is called an electro-spinning machine. Best explanation is it looks like you're making cotton candy. So there is a rod at the bottom of the spinning machine, and you run a high voltage through this, create a potential difference on a fluid that's on top of a disc. And then nanofibers are created from this fluid, and you can use the material for different applications.
Bonus topics such as optimized heparin absorption and development of absorptive membranes for selective water treatment were also presented. Simon Brown, Troy, TrojanVision News.
Moving forward, the next step for the CMMS will be to find a full-time director to manage the facility's research.